ड्रीम्स टू रियलिटी नांवान पणजे पाट्यार चलपी बोगस कंपनीन ड्रीम्स टू कॅसिनो स्किमीच्या नांवान लोकांकडच्यान 10,000 ते 5 लाख रुपया गुंतवणूक घेवन दिसाक 3% मेरेन रिटर्न दिवपाचे हायस दाखयले. अर्थीक गुन्हो विभागान मास्टर माइंड दशरथ बुराक, कंपनीचो ऑफिशियल हेड आदी गणेश, गोंयचो एजंट फकरुद्दीन आनी IT एक्सपर्ट संदीपाक उखल्लो. तशेंच तांची वेबसायटूय ब्लॉक केला.
At EOC, we had received a complaint saying that there is a suspected Ponzi scheme running in Goa by the name of Dreams to Casino. So we took that complaint and we did some basic inquiry, and we found that although it was showing like it's an investment scheme, but it was actually a Ponzi scheme which was circulating the people's invested money amongst its old customers as returns. They were promising around between 1 to 3% return per day on any investment. Basically their modus operandi was that they said that because casinos are allowed in Goa, people from other states can also enjoy casino games online by making accounts with their company and investing money in those casino games. So people invested in large numbers. We have so far found around 400 investors for the company, and they have this was going on since the last 20-25 days only, and in those many days alone they have taken investments for up to 1 crore rupees, and they were returning money as per their scheme to people, but we found that there was no investment as such. It was only a money circulation scheme, and therefore we have registered a case and we have arrested 4 persons.
चारूय आरोपींक कोर्टान 4 दिसांची पुलीस कस्टडी दिल्या. प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार आनी सिनियर व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट तुळशीदास च्यारी.